That's right. We're going to go and enjoy a handshake with trainer. Now we are getting ready for one of the action. We call it Dolphins Fountain. What is a fountain? It's a relationship. The mammal and the human. Check this out. We roll it together to move it some more and more. Alright? With trainer Tony, the dolphin Elisha, accompanied now the dolphin Flynn. We ready for it? We ready for the move? We're gonna shine. Alright now, let's do this. The Dolphins Fountain. Joy. The Dolphins are strong, but always remember the power comes from the tail. The tail is called a fluke. Check this out. The stronger move together with it. With trainer Elia, Dolphin Demo, and Dolphin Flynn. Let's dive. Hey, trainer Elia, where are you? Do not throw anything in the water. Please do not throw anything in the water. Now friends, let's travel together to Miami and we will come back to Dubai in the same moment, in the same time, in the school. Let's see the Dolphins power, Dolphin speed, trainer passion. Friends, it's time for a Dolphin survey. With some waves, with some magic, we always say Habibi, come to Dubai. Wait a minute. Habibi, come to Dubai. Go! Fantastic. I wish we might get do this. Really fantastic. That is super cool. That is super amazing on this beautiful Monday morning as we complete the 50 years. Look up! A final countdown! Alright now, we move it together for the lovely ones. Let's do it! Look at that, so amazing, so fantastic. They are the guardians of the ocean.